Dobie, what the fuck? Uh-oh.
And so you ready to spread some love?
Wait. Come here. Oh, no. Me. Sorry. No, me. Girl, come here.
I'm pretty sure Franklin's stuck. Franklin, are you okay, buddy?
What happened? Are you okay? Are you okay? His leg. Take a picture.
No!
Cross back over to Detroit. There's a new slide in town. Everyone's excited, except for...
Oh my god, we went to cinema down here. Yay!
We can't do that to dog. He can't walk. I got a video of that and I loved it.
Mick, come here. Let's get a treat.
Y'all, why is my Great Dane sitting on a couch like a human? Like...
Can you meet it though?
I'll be right back. Move your nose.
What? What do you want?
Maya, can you please get Daisy's head out of your mouth?
Gotta give me a break, Tolly.
दोस्तों, भगवान ने इंसानों के साथ साथ जानवरों में भी दिमाग दिया है। जैसे हम इंसान मौज मस्ती
Sitting is not a jacuzzi. Come on out.
That sounds like she said no. Come on out.
Who's your good boy? Who's your good? Oh, you're such a good boy.
Good morning, boys.
करते हैं, वैसे जानवर भी मौज मस्ती करते हैं। आए देखते हैं कुछ क्लिप्स, उम्मीद है आपको अच्छे लगेंगे।